Hey folks, welcome back. Today we are back in Munich. This place has really lots of great memories that we have created together. We have climbed the mountains, check out the sceneries, look for food. But right now we are going to check out the museum here. And it's not just any museum, it's the world's largest science and technology museum. It's like a playground for anybody who loves engineering. And it's a must to visit because after all, German used to be the top in the world when it came to technology. We will be checking out the planes that changed the world, the engines that make Germany famous, camera from my grandfather's era, the model that makes mega structures and bridges, and finally, we will be also ending the video with chocolate, as is another engineering wonders that the Germans have created. Back in the 18th and the 19th centuries, Germany have played a huge role in the industrial revolutions. So it's all thanks to all these engines that we are looking here. These engines are the base that used to power factories, trains, ships, the sound of the heat, the power. This is where all the modern technology begins. And from here, we extend out to the winds of the day. From the very old ancient model of the first jet engine to these sleek looking planes. There's also helicopters here. Back in the day, Germany was like light years ahead in terms of technology. They are the best with all this engineering stuff. So all these planes are the top of the cream at that point of the world. Next, let's check out this part of the museum that will definitely excite a lot of boys out there. There's scale model of bridges, massive building, entire infrastructure systems. Germany is really known for their precision. So every model of this is precisely of how it is being designed when you scale it up. One thing I love about this session is look at how much details is being inside. They really revealed every little single steps and details inside. It totally reminds me of the Lego that we played, just that all these structures and model is being created with real concrete, real wood, real materials. And there's not only bridges here, but there's also mega structures. Some of those that we have filmed include the glass suspension bridge, the mega dams, and there's also the ship locks, harbors, and there's also mega ports, river management and flood systems. So I can see everything is really detailed. And I've always wondered how this guy has thought out of all these entire structures, how the flow works. Really impressive. Right, moving on, we have reached this camera era, especially those back in my grandfather days. In the current times, kids really can't imagine camera can be so huge and bulky because they are so used to using phone's camera right now. Imagine that right now, if you can bring back all the micro cameras back to the era, those engineering will definitely be shocked. Most of the cameras in this museum are even back in the black and white era where there's no color photo being created. There's also those ancient old movie players, the mega big ones at here. So these are the types that we will see in the movie theater in the old era that they used to play videos and films. The last part of the museum actually showcases space engine and systems, even though it's a bit lacking as is understandable. Now let's move on to something else that will replenish our brain cells. We will be visiting a little chocolate shop in Munich here. It's a very famous shop that is really packed, but I'm promised that it is being stuffed with lots of different variety of chocolates, which is another engineering marvel that the Europeans are famous for. And trust me, I can really say that European chocolate are the top tier in the world. So keep watching as we traveled from the museum to the chocolate shop destination. And here we are. This is the little chocolate shop that we are seeking. It's small, but it's really packed. And you can see why. This shop is filled with lots of chocolates. I've been conversing with the lady boss and I can totally feel right that she has a passion for chocolate. All these chocolates, right, with different varieties, tastes, structures, color and designs, those are really lovely. I'm going to buy a lot of chocolate here to bring back as gift to my Asian friends. Personally, I'm a fan of dark chocolate and especially those, right, with alcohol inside. But you will definitely be spoiled with choices. Look at all this on the wall, everything are chocolate. My trip in Germany is a really fun one with lots of exploration done. It's time to head to the next country for more adventures. Be sure to subscribe to Jay's Journey for more videos.